Hi everyone, today's topic is parts of speech. Understanding the parts of speech is like a building blocks of language. Then what is parts of speech? The words are divided into different kinds or classes is called parts of speech according to their use, that is according to the work they do in a sentence. There are 8 parts of speech with their own unique rule. First one, a noun is a word used as the name of person, place or thing. Example, the rose smells sweet, the sun shines bright. Second one, an adjective is the word used to add something to the meaning of noun. Example, he is a brave boy. Second one, there are 20 boys in the class. Third one, a pronoun is a word used instead of noun. Example, Ram is absent because he is ill. Second one, the books are where you left them. Next, fourth one, a verb is a word used to say something about the person or place or thing. Example, the girl wrote a letter to her cousin. Second, Bangalore is a big town.